Linon James, sir, present for your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church.
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
Like the moon, pulling the waves, passing you up in the
Linon James, do you take Mary Well here present for your lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as a loving husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
Ko, today, I am not just gaining a husband, but a lifelong companion, a confidant, a best friend. You have filled my life with love, laughter, and countless beautiful memories.
watching you sleep, I'm driving you home in the night. Coriander and the dress that you wore and the way that we danced in the light. Oh, oh, you and
Sa
I.
inyo magtinabtanay gyud mo. Bisag magkinaunsay anak lang gyud na ang life. O ako kabalo naman gyud siguro mo kung unsa ang akong pagtiis para sa inyo. Akong mga anak. Happy na ko para sa inyo ug akong gipangayo. Dili gyud mo magbilag bisag magkinaunsa. Mao lang gyud akong ihatag sa inyo ha.
Here with you, love.
I am grateful every day for the love we share and the journey we are about to embark upon together. As we begin this new chapter, I want to promise that I'll be your rock, your partner, and your greatest supporter.
I can say everything. And I know we can be anything. I can say
Hangga, from this day, we are one, united by men in God's law. You and I will be surrounded by our family and filled with love and God's grace.
Love is never rude. It is not self-seeking. It is not prone to anger. Neither does it brood over injuries. And there is no limit to love's forbearance, to its trust, its hope, and its power to endure.
I wanna feel how you do when you're stoned. I've never been to the places you go. I take one hit and convince myself everyone's bored of me. You say it's all in your head.
Unahon ako si Papa, no? So, the first thing I appreciate until now is the discipline he taught us even when I was young. Imagine, elementary pa mi. Pag muuli si Papa sa balay, gunit dayon na sa salog o sa stante. Kung abog ba or dili. Then pag Sabado, imagine pag Sabado, luy taon kay kamagulangan. Kaya ako'y mula batanan sa puti, ako igsuon, tanaw lang. So what I mean to say is, the discipline, no matter how hard is it before, but until now, na-appreciate na ko, even wala na siya, discipline is a must. Mao na ang nagamit na mo sa mga negosyo. Quality because of discipline. Although dili perfect, dili siya seamless, pero ang guidance niya sa amo before, mas na-appreciate na ko karon bisag wala na siya. and mukhang apta kay daddy. All I know, although dili tanan, daddy taught me when I was young, especially, pero na ginasulti sa ako no matter how hard what you are doing, do it with passion and all the way with the heart. Kaya ang come up ana positive. Na ay nagadi-ay sa imuha, pasagdi, along its way. Ayaw labay og bato ang mga iro nga taghol sa mua along its way. Kay dili ka makaadto sa imong padungan. Panahon nga naa na ka didto, mapasalamatan nimo sila kay kung dili pud tungod sa ilaha, dili ka mahimong wise and masinabtanon. So daddy, papa and mommy, please guide us always.
Myself up like the sun and wander the streets with
Di, salamat di kay imo namin kitawat. Dugay mangod kay 8 years pud mi ba na lisod kay mi duwaton. Yabon na jud ang time na siya na jud nangita kay ko nga asa man na siya, asa man na si Coco nimo kay ipatubang na diri nya di man pud siya kay mahadlok pud siya. May gani na si mami ato, og mami kanang lola niya, og si mother, si Auntie Bimbi, og mga igsoon niya, nagkalakas siya ng loob. 8 years mi bago nakig-ano kay dad. Nya, karon salamat mo saya na bisig ka, kung sa'yo naitabo sa una, fully karon na feel na jud na ako na okay na jud kayo mi. Molto. Love you, Di. Salamat sa tanan.
no, I don't feel a thing.
Langga, wear this ring as a sign of my love and loyalty in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Ko, wear this ring as a sign of my love and loyalty in the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit.
We were heading home on a long drive after midnight. I was drifting off, and my squinted eyes blurred the passing lights. I was not alone.
Set your hearts on a greater gifts. I will show you the way which surpasses all the others. If I speak with human tongues and angelic as well, but do not have love, I am a noisy gong, a clanging cymbal.
When the highway
I vow to love you unconditionally and to cherish every moment we share and stand by your side through life, joys, and challenges.
Hold on as we sail together in this journey. As this day, we are one as husband, and I love you, my wife.
we were all just